You want some? Mmm. Mmm. You want to touch it? Look at his mouth. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. We are out and about on this beautiful day. It's very hot outside, so guess what we're having? Ice cream! You guys, don't judge me. Promise you don't judge me. But I'm sharing mine with Tyler, so Tyler is enjoying. It's falling on his clothes. Okay, you guys, so Tyler had enough. He doesn't want any more, so Babe and I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of it.
We're going to the park now.
We're heading to the park to let Tyler have a little fun, even though the sun is super hot. My brand new laptop that I just bought is giving some problems, so we had to just take it back into the store and see what the problem is. So we're just gonna try to see if it can get fixed and all that. Thank God I have another one that I can fall back my vlogs on, hopefully. So yeah, that's what's up today, and we're just having a little family stroll. It's a family day out. Nothing too extra. We're just enjoying the hot day. So yeah, see you guys when we get to the park. Alright, enough of this. Enough of this. Go.
Collègue à la base. Ouais.
Hey guys, so we just got back from the park. Tyler really enjoyed himself. He had so much fun. So now I'm about to make us some dinner, and yeah, just relax and enjoy the rest of the day. So I'm about to make us some stir fry. So I'm just gonna show you guys quickly what I have in my stir fry. Okay, so I already have my pot heated. I'm just going to add some olive oil right on in there real quick, not a lot. And I like my stir fry really chunky and nice. I'm just gonna make some chicken stir fry, and I'm just gonna add some seasoning to that. Woo! I like to do my stir fry on high heat too, so I have to move really fast when I'm doing this. I'm just going to throw some chicken strips in there that I had cut and seasoned earlier. I hope I didn't add too much chicken. Okay, I'm just gonna add some vegetables and I have carrot, purple cabbage, and mushroom. Those are all the vegetables that I'll be adding to this. Ooh, this looks a lot. So there you have it, guys. My stir fry is all done. Dinner is ready and we are ready to grub. Dinner is ready, you guys, and I'm off to eating my boys out. Catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.